Want $200 an hour? Start with retail finds and flip them on Walmart. It's that simple. You can see right here, these people are buying Pokemon cards and they're pretty much fighting over them at Costco, which happens a lot of the time because Pokemon cards sell for so much money, make you so much profit, and they sell fast. Now, it's a little nuts here, but that is potentially the game when it comes to retail. It's free for all. And we can see directly on Walmart, if we go on Walmart, this person is selling Pokemon Team Rocket's Mewtwo Xbox. So it's Pokemon cards, and they're making $100,000 a month on Walmart right now. Now, this is with the Helium 10 tool in the description, and you can see people are buying it. It's only just one seller, right? It's just a reseller making $100,000 a month on Walmart, and they probably purchased it in bulk from Costco. So that is one way to do it. And we can see the item right here. They don't even have that good reviews because they're shipping the product in like a poly mailer. It's not, so they're just not trying at all, but nobody cares. They want the item so badly that they're willing to buy it from somebody with a bad rating. All right, so keep that in mind. And we do have on Reddit, people are asking, hey, how are people getting these Pokemon cards? How are they getting this? And they have it right here, like others have said, people pay off employees for distributor schedules. So if you go to Costco, you could potentially try to make a friend that works at Costco, or you could just show up to Costco every day. Or there also is people that are in groups, right, of younger guys who split up and group chat each other whenever a store has stock. So if you can have your friends get together and come up with a schedule where each of you are going to a different Costco, trying to get these great deals and then notify each other, that could be a win. Or have an internal contact at Costco. Another win. Huge potential right here for the Pokemon industry. Now, what you can also do is go to a website like totallythomas.com where you're buying directly from someone who is a authorized reseller. So they're reselling these Pokemon items. They can provide you with authentic invoices just in case something happens, right? And this one's currently in stock, $39.99 on the website. And here they are selling directly on Walmart, $67.97, right? So people are selling these right away, and we can double check how much money they're making, but it is an opportunity right now that you can grab. Now, the second thing is going to be Legos. So after Pokemon, Legos is another huge opportunity. If you can find a good Lego distributor or a retail store that sells Legos like Costco, that's going to be your second opportunity because you can see in 50 people's carts, another huge opportunity, especially as we get towards the holiday season. And Costco is already selling piles of Lego Game Boys cheaper than the Lego company. Like, this is just insane, you know? So pallets full of them, even as Lego.com and some other retailers are sold out. So it is going to be a little bit of legwork to get these connections and get this done. But this is your opportunity to go to your Costco and figure it out. How do you find if they're at a store near you? They're not listed on the web, but you can use a feature in the Costco app for iOS and Android that lets you check warehouse inventory. So it's telling you how to do it, which is just crazy. So that could be another way, right? And then again, what we're going to be going through as well is different distributors that you can use. Now, EE Distribution is a huge distribution company. They're authorized by Lego, Mattel, Monopoly, all those companies, Uno. So, and they'll give you actual invoices. And if you find the right items, you could resell them for a bunch of money on Walmart. They'll actually ship it directly to Walmart for you. ACDD.com distribution, another huge distribution company that is authorized by a lot of toy and game companies. And I'm really sticking with the toy and games just because they're so liquid and so easy to sell, right? It's very difficult to lose money on things like this. Next one is UPDinc.net. And a lot of these websites don't look very nice, right? But they are legit. Right, licensed products, toys, and closeouts in stock. So you could potentially do that. Variety Distributors, distributors.com. I'm having a breakdown right here. But again, a lot of other items that you can do. And the last one I have for you is Shepper.com. Now, just from looking at the competitors on Walmart, there isn't many. So having items like this, especially before the holiday season, yes, you can jack the price up. Yes, there's not going to be many competitors because they're all going to be out of stock or trying to sell on Amazon, eBay, other marketplaces. So this is your time to shine. Get good connections, launch them on Walmart, keep the price really high, and the more items that you have, the better. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact the EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. One of our most popular services is our account management. This is what will manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, design, advertising, creating your listings, and increasing your sales. This way you can just find the products, grow your sales. We're just going to be focusing on listing your items, making sure the listing quality score is good, running your ads, and making sure you're generating sales every single day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.